Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a passive income while you're out partying with your friends or taking your family to dinner or playing tennis or whatever you want to do. You can make money even while you're sleeping with this particular method today if you like that. If you like this method and you want to see how to do this, stick around because we're going to get started right on this video right now. First of all, before we get started, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you still haven't yet subscribed, or you've been here and haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below right now while we're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little notification bell right beside it there so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel because I'm always trying to help you guys with more ways to bring time and financial freedom into your life with each and every video. And this video today is going to be no different. Alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this method. This method is easy to do and should be able to be done from anywhere in the world, as you'll see. Alright, so the first thing we want to do for this particular method, in this method you can make up to, the example I'm going to show you today, you can make up to $424 per sale. And I want to tell you too that this can be done in any niche that you guys want to do it in. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to come over here first. We're going to create an image to start with this method here. So we want to come over to Canva. I don't know if you guys have been to Canva. Some of you probably, or most of you may already know about Canva. It's a free site where you can create images in all kinds of different sizes and shapes for all kinds of different platforms that you want to do it on. And it's free to sign up with Canva. It doesn't cost anything. All you want to do is get signed up. As you see, I'm signed up under my Google account here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, and I believe even Apple ID. You can sign up here and get started with Canva. So what you want to do after you get signed up, you want to click on Create a Design right here. You see that? Click on that and you want to choose, it'll give you a list down here, but you want to choose Custom Dimensions for this. And the dimension you want to use is the 300 by 250, as you see right here where my mouse is. 300 by 250. Click on Create a New Design and it will open up this page right here and it'll open up your design, and this is the 300 by 250 image that you see here. Now you see that I've already stepped ahead here a little bit and created an image already to show you guys how to do this, and I'm using the cryptocurrency as my niche today. I'm going to be doing this in cryptocurrency. This can be done again in any niche that you want to do it in. Now, what I did was after it gave me my dimensions here, this square that you see here, all I did was come over here. It's very easy to do this, and I clicked on this image right here that you see of this computer in this background here, is this one right here on the left. All I did was drag it over and drop it right onto there, just that easy, and then you can shape it and size it and so on and so forth right here. And then all I did for my text right here is I come over here on the left and clicked on text, and I grabbed this add a large heading right here, you see, and drug it over here and dropped it right on there. And then I typed in make crypto from home, and then I changed the color of the font, as you see right here, to gold to sort of keep it with the crypto look, the color of the cryptocurrency here. And then after that, this background right here, I just came back to photos right here, and then I just simply typed in up here in the search box, I just typed in money, and it brought this up right here. Some of these images are free, some of them are not, and I found my image, which is this one right here, that's free, as you see right here where my mouse is, and I just grabbed it and drug it over and dropped it right into that background right there. And then once I did that, I clicked on that and I adjusted it a little bit, and as you can see, I made the brightness on the background a little bit less. As you can see, this is the normal, what it looked like to begin with, and all I did was just kind of dim it out a little bit and take down the brightness, and I added a little bit of blur right here to it too as well. I just made it a little bit more visible there where you can see it sort of a little bit there. and right like that, and that looks pretty good, just like that. That's all it takes to make that image, guys. It's just that easy. You just want to make an image that has to do with the product that you're choosing in whatever niche it is you're going to do this in, okay? So once you have your image created here, and you can move this stuff around easy enough, you know, and just set it wherever you want to, and create a different size of image. I mean, the lettering, you can create different size lettering by up here on your tools up here. And you see I set my lettering right here to 24, and you can even change the type of font that you want for this as well. I just left it at the default, which is Open Sans Extra right here. And then after that, set your thing, and then when you get it done, when you get your image done, then all you do is come up here to the right above my head here where you see my mouse is, and click on Download. Leave it at the PNG suggested right here, and then you're just going to download it to your computer and save it to your hard drive on your computer. All right, and then once you get that done, which shouldn't take you but just a few minutes to do this, you've seen how easy it is to do this. And then what you do when you get that done, you want to come over here to Digistore 24. Guys, Digistore 24 is the sister site to ClickBank. It's an affiliate marketing site, and it's the sister site, and it can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So there's no reason why it doesn't matter where you live at. You should be able to come over and do this method that I'm showing you today, because this can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Now, it's free to sign up on Digistore 24. All you do is click register now, get signed up. They probably will send you a confirmation mail. So make sure you get that checked out and come back and get your account verified. Come back and get logged in to Digistore 24 here. And then what you want to do then is you want to click on the marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is. And you see that over here are all the kinds of niches, just like what you'd see on ClickBank, right? All the niches on ClickBank or categories, you can see them right here on the left side. But like I told you, for today's example, I'm just using cryptocurrency. So what I did was I came over here, and you see that I clicked the search or sort by right here, and by default it's on earnings per sale. I clicked on earnings by cart visitor right here, and it brought up this right here, intelligent cryptocurrency right here. And there's another one down here too, cryptocurrency offer, Keystone Investors Club. This particular one here, you can make $277 per sale on this one right here, and then you'd want to click your promote link. But I chose this particular one right here called Intelligent Cryptocurrency, and you can see I've clicked on the promote button right here, and it gave me my affiliate link. That's where your affiliate link will show up at. And like I said, for this particular offer here, you can make up to $424 per sale with this. Now, you just want to pick a product in whatever niche you want to do. You can do the cryptocurrency if you want, but whatever niche you pick in your product, pick one that you can make some pretty good money with, okay? And so on and so forth. Then pick a product that you get paid some pretty good money with, like this one here, and then click on the promote button, get your affiliate link. So if somebody, for example, was to click on this link for this particular product right here, what this product is it teaches people how to invest in cryptocurrency to make money, okay? So if somebody clicks on this affiliate link, and it's going to open up in this page right here to the sales page. You see it had my affiliate nickname up in here too off of Digistore. And this is the page it brings over to, and this is really good because it's got a webinar here. And if you look right here, this webinar is an hour-and-a-half long. It's a lot of good free information, good value that's given in this webinar that teaches people how to turn $1,000 into as much as $13, $32, or even $271,000 in this. And if they like what they see and they click right here to join and they buy, then you'll make $424 per sale here, or whichever, according to whatever niche that you chose your affiliate link to be in, right? And they come over and they can buy from right here. Now, so you've got your image, right? You've got your image created. You came over to Digistore 24, you matched up your your niche with your image that you created, right? Keeping everything congruent across the board. And then you have your affiliate link. Now, how are you going to market this? Well, I'm going to show you now how you can get targeted, highly targeted visitors and traffic to your particular affiliate link here and your image right now. What you want to do is you want to come over to this site right here. It's called adclerks.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's adclerks.com. You come over here to this site, and this site, guys, this is not going to be a free way to market, but I'm about to show you here, it's not going to be expensive either. Okay, it's very easy to do this, and the potential for your profits here to go skyrocket with this, as you'll see. Stick around here. I'm going to show you right now. What you're going to do here on this site is you're going to buy ads online and target highly targeted real people via ad space on their marketplace of approved websites through our self-serve automated advertising platform. And what you want to do here is when you get to this site, you want to come over here and, well, which by the way, you can create, it's free to create an account here, guys. Just click on create an account. My guess is they probably will send you a email confirmation. Get that verified, get your account verified, come back and get logged in. And then what you want to do is you want to come down here to where it says all categories right here. And if you look, all these categories right here that you see, all these categories right here are the same thing that you'll see on Digistore 24 right here. So it doesn't matter what niche you do this in, okay? Now, of course, for our example today, I'm using cryptocurrency here. So I would come down right here to where it says cryptocurrency right here and check that box right there. And that's going to load up all of the cryptocurrency websites that have extremely high traffic. Look here, guys. For example, this one right here called Faucetville. This thing gets 9.5 million visitors per month. 9.5 million impressions. That's every time a person comes to that website and that website is loaded up on their screen, that's considered an impression. And that happens 9.5 million times per month, guys. Look at these other ones, all crypto, coinfaucet.io here. 3.6 million impressions a month. Freebitcoin.io, 2.8 million. And it just goes on and on and on down here, guys, with all of these. Now, to show you how you're going to do this, for example, they're charging 50 cents right here. Just 50 cents, guys, for 1,000 impressions. That means for 1,000 times that site is loaded up in front of somebody's face, your ad with your image, right, with your image and your affiliate link are going to get shown on this site. Now, so if we click on this, for example, let's use Faucetville as an example here. There's plenty of other ones here. So if I click on this, it brings us over here, and we can see that, like I was telling you, it gets 9.5 million monthly impressions here, guys. And it's ranked really good on Alexa, and it's got 907 Twitter followers, and so on and so forth. You can see where the traffic is from, and so on and so forth here. But what you want to look for right here is we want to pay attention to where it says floating banner in all pages of that website. Look at the size, 300 by 250, and it'll be at the bottom right of their website. And that's what we created our image in, right? We chose a 300 by 250 image, so it's perfect for this particular site. Right? So then what you would do is you just simply click on add to cart if you wanted to put your image on this site. Now, it's 50 cents per 1,000 impressions. What about if you just spent $5? $5 for 10,000 of these impressions on this high targeted traffic website. Do you think you could make some sales with that, guys? I would say so. So what you want to do then here is you just simply want to click add to cart, and as you add it to your cart, you're going to have to go through how to set up your ad and set it up with this particular website right here through adclerks.com, then what you're going to do is you're going to upload your image, right? You're going to upload your image that you're going to use for your ad, and then you're going to attach your affiliate link to that image on AdClerks here, and then once you pay for it, give them $5, and you can even do targeting. Some of these will allow even more targeting, direct targeting allowed, like it says, specific targeting countries, such as you may want to target all the English-speaking countries. I mean, New Zealand, United States, Canada, Australia. You might want to target specific countries where you can do that, where it says targeting is allowed here. Other than that, it's all targeted traffic anyway. They're all interested in how to make money with Bitcoins, right? And how to get more Bitcoins. So then you just fill out your ad, attach your affiliate link to your image, and then sign up, pay for it, $5 for 10,000 impressions, or the 50 cents for 1,000, or $1 for 2,000, however you want to do it. Pay for that, and then all you do after that, guys, is you go out and you play your tennis, or you take your wife and kids out to dinner, and you sleep, or you do whatever you want to do, because from that point on, it becomes passive income, is your ads being shown on this high targeted websites, and you can actually do it on all of these other ones too. There were many others, as you see. Think about if you bought it on all these other ones here too. You know, I mean, there was all kind of, it's mixed up right now, but Faucetville is one, Coin Faucet, free Bitcoin. If you did it on all these, like if you spent $20 and got 10,000 impressions on 4 websites, high traffic websites, think about the possibility of the amount of money that you can make with your affiliate link from Digistore24.com. Guys, if you see the value and the power of this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. That's the video I had for you today on how you can make some easy passive income while you go do whatever you want to do. And it should take you no more than just a few minutes to set this all up, maybe 30 minutes at the most to set this all up, and then you can just go on about your daily business, and all the while you be making money. And just come back and check your account at Digistore and see how many sales you've gotten. Alrighty, guys. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if $424 is not enough for you, well, then what you want to do is click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the description, and come over and get yourself a high income skill set where you can learn to make up to $4,000 in one day, if that sounds good to you there. Come over and come on through my funnel, see what I've got available there for you to help you get that high income skill set in affiliate marketing starting today. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions about this video down below, and I'll get to it back to you on that. I'll see you in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.